Imagine sinking your teeth into the most juiciest, crispiest Cajun wing you've ever tasted. Trust me, you're gonna wanna stick around for this. All right, so for this recipe, I got 24 wings here. And so what we're gonna start off with is our Arizona Cajun rub. We're gonna do probably about 1/3 of a cup here. Now you can use any chicken rub you like, chicken seasoning, whatever you like. I like to use Arizona Cajun. Okay, that's in there. Now we're gonna do 1 stick of unsalted melted butter, 1/2 of a lime. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Now don't worry, the recipe and everything will be down in the description. I'm also going to use 1/3 cup of my favorite barbecue sauce. This is the Luton Booty Cherry Barbecue Sauce. About 1/3 of a cup to that. Then we're gonna use Frank's Red Hot. This is a staple in our house, so that's why it's so big. We are going to add 1/3 cup of that as well. Okay, last but not least, we're going to use hot honey, 1/3 cup. Ziploc, mix around very well. Boom. Now, you're gonna put this in the fridge, let it marinate for 4 hours. All right, after 4 hours, we're gonna get us a cooling rack, and we're gonna Pam this bad boy up. Then we're gonna pull out our chicken wings from the Ziploc, from its wonderful little marinade, and we're going to start placing them on the cooling rack. All right, wings are on the cooling rack. We fired up our GMG to 300 degrees. We are going to add these to the smoker, and we're gonna let them roll, and we'll check them in about an hour. All right, we are 1 hour in. Let's check these bad boys out. Whoo, look at the color on that. So what I like to do with chicken wings is I like to take them over 200 degrees because I think that's where the most tender wings are, most flavor, juicy. Sometimes people like to pull them off at like 165, and at 165, the wings are still tough to me. So we are currently reading, that's about 161. That's 145, that's 160. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slowly start flipping these over. All right, we are going to let these go another 20 minutes, and we are going to check on them. All right, so what does every good chicken wing need? It needs a good sauce, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the best sauce that you've probably ever had. But before we jump into that, if you got any value out of this content, please make sure to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share this with somebody. To make the best wing sauce, wing marinade, it's the exact same recipe as you marinated the wings. We are now gonna make that into a sauce. All right, it's been about an hour and a half. Whoo, God, these smell good. Look at the color on that. Colors came out good. We are right at 205 degrees. Let's go ahead and take these off and sauce them up. Boom. So we're gonna just toss them, toss them. It smells so good. All right, let's dive in here. Woo! Crispy, saucy. You got that smoke flavor from the grill. You got that little honey sweetness, garlic, and it's got a kick with that Cajun rub on there. That's why I like to push my wings to 200 degrees. When they're 200, they're perfect. They come right off the bone. If you really enjoyed this video, wait till you see what we got cooking on the next one. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.